Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about CallRail for real estate. Know how we can integrate with real estate. CallRail is a marketing platform for businesses that rely on quality phone calls, leads, and new customers to grow and succeed. Our software gives customers visibility into their marketing efforts so they know what's working and what isn't. Claim the keys to smarter marketing. Keeping qualified buyers and renters engaged along the path to closing is a real challenge. While you're trying to treat each customer like they're your only one, your phone's buzzing, pinging, and practically begging for your attention. Call tracking. Call tracking reveals the sources behind all your phone leads so you can invest more in what's working. It records calls, too, ensuring you don't miss important details, while conversation intelligence goes a step further. Conversation analytics. Form tracking powers up reporting by connecting web and phone leads while auto-responding to requests. Get a new lease on leads with CallRail's marketing, analytics, and communications platform. 4-Ways Conversation Intelligence will make your team smarter. Our new Conversation Intelligence product shifts the time-consuming, omission-prone work of identifying call key findings from your workflow to machines. Replace your phone system with Lead Center. Part of the CallRail platform, Lead Center does everything your phone system does, taking and making calls. But it also delivers a single inbox for all your calls, texts, and form submissions. Don't guess which marketing's working. Note with call tracking. Under the hood, call tracking uses dynamic number insertion to keep track of online activity like PPC ads, emails, social media posts, and keywords. Source-level tracking follows the calls from offline marketing pieces, ads, mailers, brochures, billboards, and more. Long story short, if you can put a phone number on it, you can track it. Join the most successful businesses on the planet. CallRail is a service that tracks and manages your phone leads, helping businesses to determine which marketing campaigns are driving quality leads. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about CallRail and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.